Feed configurations. As an affiliate of our merchants, you can build as many feed configurations as you want and different feeds for different sites or activity that you run. You can build these feeds exactly as you need them to be. The feeds in this interface will update as regularly as our source data from the merchant, in many cases up to 4 times per day, which will give you the richest data available both in terms of categorization and deep product attributes. Let's look at some examples now. Creating a feed configuration. Firstly, click on the new feed icon. We're going to create a laptop feed for our laptop site, so change the name to Lenovo UK Laptops. You can edit the affiliate ID if it's not correct, add click references to track the activity, select the feed output type, the encoding, add file suppression, and if you're one of our main distribution partners, you can also map the feed to your exact categories. Field selection and mapping. The next screen in the Setup Wizard allows you to choose the fields in your feed. To accept the default fields with no customization, simply click Next. However, if you want to customize the feed fields, then click on Show Advanced mode. Here you can rename any of the header or field names which appear in your feed. In this example, I'm renaming Name to Product Title. Apply character limits to any of the fields, in this case 200. And unmap a certain column. And add a default value. In addition, you can remap any column of data in the Merchants field to one of the existing or newly created columns. If required, you can add new, remove existing or reorder columns. Simply drag and drop. Category selection. The third stage of the feed building wizard is the category selector, where you can choose either all or the most granular categories. You will notice the number of products available will be shown in brackets. Applying filters. The fourth and final stage of the feed building wizard is where you can apply a range of additional filters, such as stock. You can even set your own low stock levels and use this to filter out products under a certain quantity. Select only sale items, very useful if you have a sale only site, or those items with free delivery, great if you run a free delivery site. Depending on the merchant type, you can also choose just new or refurbished products and select the level you want your feed to be grouped at. For instance, you could have every variant product, so each product in blue size 7. Or to group at colour level and just have the blue product with all the available sizes as one row. In addition, you can apply price filters and any keyword or rules-based filter to your feed configuration. Of course, if you don't want to do any of this, you can just click Save and your feed will be ready for you, published to a URL which you can automatically pull into your system. This way you will never have to update it again, or you can open it in a browser. When your feed is ready, we will also confirm when the merchant updates their data, so you can ensure you set your schedules accordingly.